HPE ProLiant DL360 Gen10. The one-use server that crushes enterprise workloads effortlessly. Ever feel like your servers are gasping for air while your data demands keep piling up? Applications crawl, VM clusters stutter, and every day feels like a battle against slow processing and constant bottlenecks. Watching your IT infrastructure struggle is more than frustrating, it's demoralizing. Time slips away, focus drains, and your efficiency takes a hit that no coffee can fix. The stress ramps up when workloads collide. Storage-intensive databases, virtualization clusters, and cloud applications demand more than your aging hardware can handle. Downtime, sluggish performance, and mounting support tickets turn into a creeping nightmare. Opportunities are missed, deadlines loom, and burnout looms for your team. Every lagging process is a reminder that your infrastructure isn't keeping pace. Introducing the HPE ProLiant DL360 Gen10 1U Rack Server Bundle, a powerhouse built to obliterate bottlenecks and restore IT sanity. Dual Intel Xeon Gold 6130 processors with 32 cores, 256 GB DDR4 RAM, and 7.68 TB enterprise SSD storage deliver lightning-fast performance across virtualization, databases, and mission-critical apps. Hot swappable power supplies and rate-protected storage keep your systems online under pressure. One IT director shared how deploying a DL360 Gen10 cluster cut SQL Server query times by 70%, turning hours of delay into minutes. With HPE IL05 remote management, firmware-signed SSDs, and expandable PCIe slots, you get complete control, reliability, and future-proof flexibility. Every button, every rack-mounted inch is engineered to make high-density computing look effortless, so your workloads run smoothly, efficiently, and worry-free. The DL360 Gen10 transforms enterprise operations. Dense 1U design maximizes rack space without compromising cooling. Users report seamless virtualization for 150+ concurrent VDI sessions and zero hardware failures across years of 24/7 operations. Influencers highlight its NVMe SSD performance and ECC memory for data integrity, while analysts praise HPE InfoSight predictive analytics for averting failures before they happen. Connectivity options, RAID support, and hot plug redundancy reduce downtime, letting teams focus on strategy instead of firefighting. Think of it like swapping chaos for precision. Multi-threaded Xeon cores handle every virtual machine, database query, or analytics workload with surgical efficiency, while IL05 gives you command from anywhere. Curious why IT directors, cloud engineers, and database consultants rave about it? Because every critical operation, from Citrix VDI to high-performance computing, runs at next-level speed, reliability, and security. Want to feel that smooth hum of a server that actually keeps up with your ambition? This is the one that proves one-use servers can be mighty. Don't wait. Limited stock for enterprises ready to dominate their workloads. Join thousands of IT teams, cloud providers, and enterprise clients already experiencing the HPE DL360 Gen10 difference. Act now to secure unmatched performance, massive memory, and rock-solid storage reliability. Whether you're virtualizing, running databases, or powering high-density racks, this 1U powerhouse ensures uptime, speed, and control. Seize this chance, future-proof your infrastructure, and crush bottlenecks. Your IT operations deserve it today.